How do I get a substring of a string in Python? I want to get a new string from the third character to the end of the string, for example mstring to column end. If omitting the second part means till the end, and if you omit the first part, does it start from the start?
Python calls this concept slicing, and it works on more than just strings. Take a look here for a comprehensive introduction.
Just for completeness, as nobody else has mentioned it, the third parameter to an array slice is a step. So reversing a string is as simple as, or selecting alternate characters would be. The ability to step forwards and backwards through the string maintains consistency with being able to array slice from the start or end.
Substring normally, i.e. PHP and Perl, works this way. So the parameters are beginning and length. But Python's behavior is different. It expects beginning and one after end. This is difficult to spot by beginners. So the correct replacement for substress, beginning, length, is
A common way to achieve this is by string slicing. Mstring to column B gives you a substring from index A to B1.